Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about the number one way to solve every single problem in this world. Now before I start this video, I want to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit that notification button because I have so many videos just like this that I want to share with you. Now, the number one way to solve every single problem in the world is to become wealthy. You see, if you're dealing with any kind of issue that you want to solve, whether it is racial injustice or any structural problems that you see in society, the fact is that it comes down to how much money you really make. Now, I know that there are so many things that are more important than money. For example, health is more important than money. Relationships are more important than money. Having the ability to live a life of freedom is more important than money. Now, of course, I can list so many different things that are more important than money. But what I want you to know is that when it comes down to achieving the most that you want to solve all the problems in the world, it does come down to money. You see, money can buy you better relationships. Money can buy you better health. Money can give you more freedom. Money can help you to become a more honest person. Money can solve so many different problems. In fact, that is why it was established in the first place. If you think about the origins of money, what you'll realize is that money was created to eliminate bloodshed. Basically, back in the day, thousands of years ago and beyond, there was a conflict that people had when it came to trading. Now, somebody was smart enough to realize that instead of dealing with all these conflicts in negotiation, that there had to be a way to solve this problem, and money was created. The reason why we have currency today is so that we can get to where we need to be in the fastest time possible. Instead of negotiating with someone about how much their bread costs, we could just pay the price that they're asking for. We don't have to haggle with them about price. We can get straight to the point. Now, if you think about this on a greater scale, you know that everything comes at a price. For example, you make a certain amount of money because that is the price that you've commanded up until this point. Now, obviously, you can command a higher price, but you have to figure out what kind of value you can offer to the marketplace in order to demand the kind of money you want to make. Now, if you want to become wealthy, what you need to do is to figure out exactly what your talents are and how you can use your talents to serve humanity. If you look at every single billionaire in this whole entire world, you will realize that they looked within themselves to the point where they've understood what their talent is and what they need to do to utilize that talent to serve the rest of humanity. And now, as a result of finding their talents, they've been able to serve billions and billions of people because they understand exactly who they are and they understand what people expect of them. So all I'm saying is this: if you want to solve any kind of problem in this world, then you need to become rich. Look, my friends, becoming wealthy means that you're helping more people in society. It means that you're paying more taxes to the government. And it also means that you're offering more value to people who really need your help. So what I want you to do is to ask yourself, how can I align my talents to the people that need it the most? Once you understand exactly what you're good at, then people will demand that you do it for them too. Now, once you've created a demand, then you will be able to supply it not only through yourself, but through the teams of people that will help you to accomplish your greatest purpose. And that's exactly what wealthy people do. Since they know they cannot distribute their talents by their own power, they build teams of people to distribute it in different directions so that they can focus on the things in their heart and their deepest affections. And that's how they solve greater problems. And that is also how they're able to give back through philanthropy. They're able to build malls. They're able to create jobs. They're able to establish schools. They're even able to partake in government affairs. As you can see, when you become wealthy, you're interconnected with everything that goes on within society. And if you're very wealthy, what you do is you take your ideas and you disseminate it to other people through speeches, through interviews, through books, and other forms of learning. My friends, this is Daniel Alley, and I just shared with you the #1 way to solve every single problem in this world. Now I want to address one more concern that a lot of people ask me about, and it is this. If you actually become a millionaire, do you end up hurting more people than you help? And the answer is this. If you're broke, you end up hurting more people than you help, because you depend on more people to serve you than you are able to serve them. You see, millionaires are able to serve more people, and that's why they make more money. But if you don't have money, you're not able to serve as many people. And that is the #1 reason why you need to become wealthy. My friends, this is Daniel Alley. Make sure to share this video with someone else who really needs it. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and please take advantage of the opportunities that you have right now to get the opportunities that you want in the future. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.